Hey everybody, welcome to another one of my videos. In this video, you're going to see me show how to solve this new puzzle box that I have made. It is currently the largest one that I have created. Sorry, my voice is kind of scratchy right now. Well, let's get to solving. Actually, I'm just going to say what it's supposed to be. So, it's supposed to be kind of like a little house. You got your door there. Yeah, it's a door. There's a little thing in there. What is that for? It doesn't pull out, so what? Yeah. So, we've got like a thing there that looks like you can push in, something there that can push in, and question mark on how that pushes in. So, yeah. But wait. These things don't move at all. So how is it supposed to open? Well, actually up here at the top, you gotta flip it over. It doesn't come out because it's in there so good. You have to whack it. And ta-da! You got a little thing out. That's completely useless now. So, you got a hole. Nothing special in the hole except tiles. So, yeah. Now what? Well, you see that piece there? It's actually connected to this, which now, because this is out, it can push in and continue pulling until it stops. Now, as you can see there's something new in there because it's slid out. Then right here, you're gonna have to whack again. This thing is super hard to get out. Okay. And got this piece out. Now what? Well, next thing is getting out the drawer. Well, I made it to where it was supposed to be pulled out by that piece in there, like that, but then I realized, wait, you can just grab it on the outside and pull it. So, yeah, but then you get your drawer with absolutely nothing in there, as usual. So, you can kind of see, oh, hey, there's a hole. Oops. Wait a second. Oh, never mind. I thought, like, uh-oh, there's a hole in the building. I was like, no, there isn't. That's where this thing slides in. Yeah. So, to reset it, do it in reverse. Push that in. Gotta stick this in the correct direction, with the hole more toward the outside. Push this in, and then stick that in there. And yeah, that is my puzzle box. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please hit the like button over here and subscribe to my channel so you know whenever I get new stuff out so you can watch it. And also leave comments in the comment section for things you would like me to do, because sometimes I don't have ideas. It took me a few days to finally come up with the idea for this box. So, but I mean, like, just some random thing that I could build. Yeah, so as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.